Hello everyone. Here is a problem that was sent to me. Well, actually, let me back up. This was not a actual homework problem or an objective that someone attempted. They looked at the notes, and this was part of the example that was provided in the notes. So I guess the student looked at it and was like, "Oh my, it's a little bit more than what we have been doing lately, and it's different than what we've been doing." So I wanted to take the time to explain to everyone what's going on, and I may work it a bit different from Alex. So if you look at this objective, approximating the equation of a line of best fit and making predictions, my work will probably more than likely be different than what you see in Alex, which is fine. I like for you guys to have different perspectives and different ways of working the problem. But let's jump right in. So we have a scatter plot, and the scatter plot here shows the average monthly temperature, X, and a family's monthly heating cost, Y, for 25 different months. So you have the average temperature, and so the average temperature outside and the cost that they are spending on their electric bill or heating costs that month. Okay, so we can see that the colder it is down here, we can see that the colder it is. So down here, when it was 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside, there was an X right there. So their cost of heating was nearly $90. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how this reads. So it says, write an approximate equation of the line of best fit for the data. It does not have to be an exact line of best fit. Use your equation from part A to predict the monthly heating cost for a month with an average temperature of 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So for me, I'm looking at this, and what I notice immediately is there are not many points here that fall directly on an intersection. In other words, I see this point here. My iPad does not like for my hand to lay on it a particular way. So we have a point here that looks like it's at an intersection. So that point there looks like it is at 50-30. But I don't see many more that's, that neat and spot on. So, which is okay. This is just an example. Typically with your homework problems, they would give you points, particular points to use to work this out. But for this one, we're just practicing, okay? So a line of best fit is